To prepare a driveway crack for sealing, you need the right tools and a clear sequence of steps to ensure a durable repair. Start by removing loose debris and vegetation using an old flathead screwdriver and a small screwdriver to pry out roots and detritus, working down the full depth of the crack so the sealer can bond to solid material. Use a cordless drill fitted with a nylon cup brush to scrub away stubborn dirt and surface oxidization. Run the brush at low to medium speed and make several passes while keeping the drill steady to avoid widening the crack. After scrubbing, extract dust and small particles with a shop vac or a handheld vacuum, passing the nozzle along the crack and into corners. Repeat until no residue is visible. If the driveway surface is damp or damp pockets remain, dry the area with a leaf blower on a warm, low setting to remove moisture and fine dust that the vacuum may have missed. Inspect the crack for loose sand or friable edges and use the small screwdriver to undercut weak sections so the filler will seat against sound material rather than crumble away. Finally, wipe the surrounding pavement with a clean rag and perform a quick tactile check by running your finger along the crack to ensure it is clean, dry, and ready for the chosen sealant. Common mistakes are skipping deep debris removal, which causes the sealer to sit on loose material and fail, so always pry and vacuum thoroughly. Relying solely on sweeping leaves away does not remove embedded grit and fine dust, so follow up with a vacuum and then a leaf blower for moisture control. Another issue is using a metal wire brush instead of a nylon cup brush, which can damage the crack edges and create feathered edges that trap sealant, so choose a nylon brush and run it gently. A third concern is sealing over damp cracks, which prevents bond and leads to peeling, so always use a leaf blower or allow adequate drying time and confirm dryness by touching the crack before applying product. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide practical project guidance related to tasks like driveway crack repair. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post their contractor experiences so we can all learn and find work more easily.